Welcome to the Companion website. In this tutorial we will review the basics of the tools offered on this site. Once you are logged in, you will land on the home page. You will notice the menu on the top of the page has tabs for Buyer, Seller, Tools, Marketing, and My Orders. Let's review some features of the Buyer tab. There are various tiles with different tools. In most of the tiles you will find input fields. Optional and required information will be designated in light gray text. Required inputs will always appear on the first tab. If you would like to dive into additional options, you can easily navigate through the tabs. Standard inputs will be pre-filled, but can be altered as needed. In the Quick Net tile you will be able to complete a net sheet for your customer. There are 4 tabs at the top of this tool. In this example, I am adding the sales price, property address, and the city on the General tab. In the Options tab, I am adding the optional earnest money input. On the Closing Costs tab, you can add a custom closing cost and/or edit the standard fees. In the Custom Closing Cost pop-up window, select Lender Fees or Other Fees from the Fee Type menu. In this example, I am adding a transaction service fee as an other fee in the amount of $325. Click Use Once for just this calculation or click Use and Save to hold this as a default for this and all future calculations. To edit any of the other fees, click the pencil and paper icon, adjust the fee and click Use Once or Use and Save or Cancel to abandon the edit. On the Splits tab, you can adjust who pays for a fee or select a fee to be a split cost. To edit, click the pencil and paper icon, adjust the fee and click Use Once or Use and Save or Cancel to abandon the edit. On each of the tabs within Quick Net you can calculate or cancel. I'm going to click Calculate. Once the net sheet is generated you can change inputs. This feature is useful for creating multiple fee quotes consecutively. Start over. Save/email. You can name the file, click OK, then you are able to view the PDF of the net sheet or email the document. The Seller tab has similar tools as the Buyers tab. Optional and required information will be designated in light gray text. Required inputs will always appear on the first tab. If you would like to dive into additional options, you can easily navigate through the tabs. Standard inputs will be pre-filled but can be altered as needed. On the Tools tab, you will find the Property Profile tile. With your Title Pro 247 credentials you are able to create property profiles. They include not only assessment, vesting and tax data, but also comparable sales, transaction history, plat map and recorded documents, when available. To create a property profile, input the required information on the General tab, select the preferred options from the Options tab, then click Submit or Cancel to abandon the process. Once the profile generates you may click on the subject property, or any address in the comparable sales results, to view the location on a map. You must view the map before selecting to change inputs, start over or save/email. When you click Save/email, you will be able to choose to view the document, email the document, or close. It will be saved in your saved items within Companion. At the bottom of the screen note the Quick Access menu. This allows you to easily navigate through the profile. Now, let's navigate to the Marketing tab. There are marketing pieces targeted for buyers and sellers. You will also find educational flyers. Due to California regulations, the ability to create marketing items requires a purchase. You will have 3 purchase options to choose from. In this example I am creating the Compare Loan Options piece. I'll input the required data and then click Submit to generate. The PDF document will be saved in your Saved Items tab. You can also click View Document to see the PDF or close. On the My Orders tab you are able to submit new orders, search for your orders, and access order information for open, closed, and/or cancelled files. Within an order you will see 4 tabs. The General tab shows basic file information. The Tracking tab will display the progress of the transaction throughout the life of the file. On the Parties tab, you will find contact information for your escrow officer. The Notes tab allows you to add a note or attachment to an order, which will be seen by your escrow team. Let's now take a look at the left menu bar. There, you will find the My Settings menu. Once you click the arrow to expand the menu, you will find several areas where you can update your settings for use throughout the tools on the companion site. These settings will hold for all items you create until they are adjusted again. In the My Information screen, you can upload your photo, upload your logo, update your contact information, adjust your default county, and your account manager. In the Closing Costs screen, you can add a custom closing cost, edit closing costs for both buyer and sellers, and adjust splits for particular fees as detailed in the Buyer Quick Net Tile portion of this tutorial. In the Calculator Default screen, you can adjust the property type default from residential to commercial, update whether or not you want to show the agent disclaimer, adjust the default gross household income, among some other items. Next up is Loan Defaults. In this screen, you are able to adjust the defaults for conventional, FHA, VA, and USDA loan types. The last option in the My Settings menu is Tax Rates, where you are able to manually adjust the defaulted rates by county by clicking the paper and pencil icon in the Edit column. In the Saved Items screen, you will find the items you have created and saved from the Buyer, Seller, and the Marketing tabs. This is also where you can create a comparison for multiple offers. Clicking on one of these saved items allows you to view, email, copy link, edit, where applicable, delete, or close. Within the Learn menu is the Buyer and Seller Handbooks, News, Glossary, Educational Flyers, Release Notes, and Tutorials, where you will find brief and specific video tutorials for the companion site. In the Contact Us menu, you will find a link to contact your account manager and the support team. In the Mobile App screen, there is a QR code to scan so you may enjoy the companion app on your mobile device. To round out this toolbar, we have our privacy policy and assign out options. We hope you enjoy using the companion website, and always feel free to reach out to your account manager with any questions or further training needs.